Hey, it's Gina with WTI. If you own an RV or a fifth wheel like we do, then you know how important it is to help insulate that tin can as much as possible. This is just a small thing, but having this insulated curtain for our front door from Safona has been so nice. For one thing, before we got it, I just hated that at night with the lights on inside the RV, anyone could see inside our front window. And now that we have this curtain, I don't have to worry about that at all. Another great thing about the shade is that it has 3-layer construction. So the side that faces out of the window is reflective, which helps to keep the UV rays and heat from getting inside the trailer. The middle layer is heat insulating felt, and then the inside layer is black fabric, which gives you that extra layer of insulation. So this can help the RV to stay warmer during cold months and cooler during hot months, which I really appreciate. The installation was so easy. It comes with velcro that's already sewn onto the shade and extra pieces that you can add so that you have very secure connections to the door. I found it very simple to install, and you can even fold up one of the sides. It adheres to itself, or you can take the whole thing off and allow all the sun in. This shade from Safona is a must have for any trailer or RV that you might have. We really love it, and that's our point of view.